be it a computer, agricultural machinery, or aeroplane, mechanical engineering plays the vital role through its design, material science, and manufacturing processes. At SNS College of Technology, the Department of Mechanical Engineering has been from 2005 and offers BE Mechanical Engineering, ME Thermal Engineering, and PhD program. The BE Mechanical Engineering has been accredited by MBA. We got autonomous and update our curriculum by AICTE on par with the growing demands of industry and research area. The design thinking based curriculum has been carefully framed to cater to the current influences of Industry 4.0 by offering professional electives, open electives, and skill-based career-oriented courses like Python programming, IoT, Big Data Analytics. The mentorship practice enables to give individual attention to the slow and fast learners and groom them based on their interests and skill sets towards their career. Our alumni are placed in government sector, public sector, the army, the navy, while many of them are entrepreneurs and some of them are pursuing higher studies in abroad and India.
To cope up with modern technology, we have well-equipped CAD/CAM laboratory, including 3D printing, IoT lab, and softwares like ANSYS, Solid Edge, NXCAM, and LabVIEW for the course of study. Every year, at least 70 students are being trained in valuable courses like Solid, SolidWorks, CATIA, ANSYS, Creo, Six Sigma, and Lean Manufacturing. In addition to the curriculum, during evening hours, through our MSME and NSDC partners, and also Autodesk ANSYS certified faculty members. Through Center for Learning and Teaching (CLT), varied pedagogy methods such as flipped classroom, role play, case study, group discussion, small group learning, problem-based learning, and project-based learning, etc. is used in grabbing the attention of students throughout the session. Our institution hosts an exclusive anytime, anywhere accessible online repository through www.snscourseware.org, which provides the relevant material for each course to the students' community.
Greetings. Most of the products are assembled with different components that undergo many machining processes. We provide technical training and hands-on experience on machines in lathe, milling machine, drilling machine, and surface testing machine. Memorandum of understanding has been made with 50 plus industries in Coimbatore through IITC, through which we offer industrial research, implant training and internship to our students every year.
Students are given active and practical learnings using current industrial case studies. The students are also trained the design thinking framework under CLT. Through CLT, the students are collaborate with academicians and industrial experts to find the novel solutions for everyday societal problems under the progressive field of agriculture, aerospace, smart city, energy, etc. In addition to the technical collaboration of the society, the students are actively engaged in making the lives of the people better through conducting the events like blood donations, book donation to the schools, etc. through social responsibility initiatives. In addition to the academics, the students are also taught and encouraged to improve the mental health practices like medicine, yoga, dance, etc.
Good afternoon. So, I am Karthikeyan from Prasicraft Components India Private Limited. So, since actually this company Prasicraft is manufacturing of die casting and gravity die casting parts for past 17 years. Since we recruited from the college SNS Technology, and they are working fine. I think the learning capacity and attitude and working spirit and everything, they have good skills, and also support from them also is good for our company. Thank you.
I always wanted to develop a new product that would replace routine and physically straining work with machines. I chose intellectual property rights IPR as my elective course and learned more. Through the department, I was enabled to follow my personal desire of growth and started patenting my projects like backseaters for two-wheelers and remote controlled height adjustable ceiling fans. My patents were recognized by HCL Technologies. Now I am working as a mechanical designer in HCL Technologies.
Working for SAE Racing Events is a rich experience for us. Mr. Piston team from our department came as runner-up in national level competition with many prizes and awards such as Best Driver Award. Many of my fellow students compete in different competitions nationwide like Supra, conferences, internship in IITs through use of fellowship.